Hey everyone, today I have for you guys a pretty exciting video. This video is going to be all about my lashes and brows. So as you all know, I have super short and straight eyelashes. Literally, you probably can't even see them with me looking at the camera right now. And my brows are very thin. They're not necessarily like sparse, but I do have pretty thin brows. So this video is sponsored by the brand Grande Cosmetics. They sent me their lash enhancing serum and their brow enhancing serum. So today's date is Sunday, September 2nd, and this is going to be the first day that I'm applying both of these products. I'm going to be doing a check-in at 6 weeks, and then I'm also going to be doing my final check-in at 3 months because that's how long you have to use these products to see like the final results. So before I apply both of these products for the first time, I'm going to give you guys a little bit more information about both of them. I'm first going to be starting out with the Grande Lash. It says that this product is dermatologist approved, vegan, cruelty-free, and safe to use with eyelash extensions, and that it can also help promote a longer lasting bond life. I've never tried eyelash extensions, but that's nice for those of you who do have those. It says that it's infused with vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids to promote naturally longer, thicker looking lashes in just 4 to 6 weeks, with full results in 3 months. It says that it's a favorite for helping enhance short or thinning lashes, and it's also ideal for restoring the appearance of brittle or damaged lashes. I feel like my lashes have been a lot more like short and brittle. They're a little bit damaged because I do wear fake eyelashes a lot, and every time I take them off and try and get the lash glue off, like I feel like it's like ripping out my eyelashes. So I'm really hoping that this works because I am definitely not happy with my lashes. They're seriously just like so short without mascara. It looks like I don't even have eyelashes. So the price of the 3-month supply of Grande Lash is $65. It says that they did a study, and after 12 weeks, 100% of people reported that it was easy to use, 97% reported more visible lashes, 94% reported healthier looking lashes, and 91% reported longer looking lashes. I would like for them to be like where if I'm not wearing mascara and I'm looking at you, you can actually see my lashes, because right now you can't really see them. As for the Grande Brow, it says that it's a brow enhancing serum with vitamins, peptides, and amino acids, plus conditioning ingredients to promote thicker and fuller looking brows. Expect results within 6 to 8 weeks. To achieve full results, make sure to use this entire tube as directed within a 4-month period. So even though my brows aren't very like sparse, I would like a little bit more right on the arches, because that is where I do have a little bit less brow hairs. So I am super excited to try both of these out. These can be purchased at Sephora. So now I'm going to be applying both of these for the first time. I'm going to read you guys the directions first. So it says that for the Grande Lash, you're supposed to apply 1 swipe along the eyelash line, and it's supposed to be like how you would apply eyeliner. It says to use once daily in the evening before bed and allow 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to dry. So it does say that after the full 3 months that you should use it every other day as maintenance. As for the Grande Brow, it says that it is minimal swipes on the brows. So I'm first going to be applying the Grande Lash serum. So as you can see, it has a nice thin wand. So I'm going to apply it right along my lash line. So while that's drying, I'm going to apply the Grande Brow. This has a little bit thicker of a wand, so I'm just going to do a few swipes on each brow. Alright, so the application process was super easy. So now I'm going to be back in 6 weeks to give you guys an update on how my brows and lashes are looking. Alright, you guys, I am back, and it has been 6 weeks now. I can't even believe that 6 weeks have already gone by. It is now October, and I'm pretty sure I filmed the first part of this video in August or maybe early September. So I took my 6-week check-in pictures before I filmed this video, and I'm honestly like really shocked at the results. I was comparing these pictures to the ones that I took before I started using the lash and brow serums, and I'm like, I can't even believe that my lashes look the way they do. They're still not like really long in the grand scheme of things. Like I just naturally have very short lashes, but they are so much longer than they were before. It's actually crazy. Like whenever I look straight without makeup on, it's really weird. Actually, I'm doing this whole video without makeup on. But yeah, when I'm not wearing makeup and I'm looking straight forward, you can actually see my lashes now. And not only can you see them, they're actually pretty long. And I wasn't sure if like the brow, the Grande Brow was really doing anything. anything. I was looking at the pictures and I did have some sparse areas like right along my arch, and I feel like they definitely look a lot more like, I don't know, like filled in now. I really like the way that they look now, and I'm honestly like really impressed. So I'm only halfway through using these. I have another 6 weeks to go for using the lash serum, and then you're supposed to use the brow one for 4 months. So you guys will see like my 3-month journey on my brows, but honestly they already look better, so I'm sure that they will look just as good at the 3-month mark as they would the 4-month. I'm sure they'll just be even better at the 4-month mark. But I don't think I'm ever gonna stop using these, honestly, you guys, because I don't want my lashes to go back to how they were before. I have never had long lashes ever, and I'm just like really like wowed right now because I just never thought that I would have lashes. And actually I started using their the Grande Lash like primer and mascara, and that has completely changed my lashes as well. I'm assuming it's just a mix of both the serum and then the mascara and primer, but when I use the primer and mascara, my lashes look so long. It has been my go-to mascara and primer. I never even used a lash primer before because I didn't think they really did anything, but these ones seriously work so good. I will leave them listed in my description box below if you guys want to check them out. I definitely recommend them if you have really short lashes. All right, you guys, I will be back in another 6 weeks for my final check-in. I'm super excited to see what the final results are, so I will see you guys in December. All right, you guys, I am back, and today's date is Sunday, December 2nd. So my entire 3-month process is already over. I cannot believe that 3 months have already gone by. So I'm just gonna be giving you guys like a final check-in and update on my lashes and my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some pictures of my lashes before I started this process, then the 6-week pictures, and then finally the 3-month picture of my lashes. And honestly, you guys, I am blown away by these products. My lashes have never looked this good in my entire life, and my brows do look a lot more full. My brow hairs are a lot longer than they were before, but I do have to use the brow enhancer for another month. You're supposed to use that product for 4 months, so I won't get the full results of my brows for another month. So as you guys saw in the pictures, there is a huge difference in my lashes. I can honestly say that my lashes have changed so much since I started using this. I originally thought that I just had like really straight lashes and that's why you couldn't see them, but that turned out to not be the case. This product doesn't say that it's supposed to like curl your lashes, and I don't know if it's just because my lashes have been getting like healthier and longer, but I don't even have to curl my lashes anymore. They like naturally stand up straight now. It's super weird. I'm not really sure why they started doing that, but I was sitting in the mirror today like thinking about everything that I wanted to say in this final check-in, and that's one of the things that I've noticed is I don't have to curl my lashes anymore. They just like naturally stand up now, and I can actually see my lashes whenever I'm not wearing makeup, which is absolutely incredible to me because before you could not see my lashes at all, and I guess they really were just that short that they just were not really visible with no mascara on. I don't know, it's really crazy to me. I actually feel like confident when I'm not wearing makeup now. I feel like I can go out in public and I actually have eyelashes. Before I didn't like to not wear makeup in public because it just looked like I didn't have eyelashes. I just feel like lashes can completely change the way that someone looks, and I am just so happy that I finally have eyelashes now. That sounds really crazy because I did have eyelashes, but longer eyelashes. Not only do my lashes look longer now, they also look a lot healthier and my lashes are a lot more full. Another thing that I noticed today when I was looking in the mirror getting my final thoughts is that this eye looks a lot better and longer than this eye. As you can see, I do have like long hairs on the outside, and then right here, I feel like they got a lot longer right here since using the serum, but right in the middle, they are still a little bit short. But I am going to keep using these products and hope that my lashes get a little bit longer right here in the middle of this eye. Overall, I am super impressed by these products. You know, I had seen these before. They do sell them at Sephora. I had seen them and I've always wanted to try them, but I was like, I'm not really sure if it's going to work. I've been trying these for 3 months now. I used them the entire 3 months. I think I only missed maybe like 2 or 3 days. I'm super happy with how my lashes and my brows look. My brow hairs also have never been this long. I always had like thin brows, but I do feel like they look a little bit thicker. So if you're someone who is struggling with your brows or your lashes, I definitely recommend checking out these products. I'm gonna have everything linked in my description box below. They do sell them at Sephora. I know one of my original concerns, and I'm sure a lot of people's concerns, are like if you're going to remember to use it. Myself personally, I forget things and I can get super lazy at night when I just want to go to bed, but I did put these products out like in my bathroom on my counter, so I remembered to use them every single night. I just made it a part of like my skincare routine, and I've had no issues remembering to use either of the products. I just wash my face at night and do all of my normal skincare, and then last I will apply both of these products and then go to bed. It's super easy and simple, and it's honestly helped me so much with my lashes and brows. I'm just gonna keep using these because I don't want my lashes to ever look like they looked before. It's actually like kind of weird to look at yourself in the mirror and see your lashes when your whole life you've literally not been able to see your lashes without makeup on. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do next to like enhance my lashes even more is to try like one of those at-home lift and tint kits. Not that I really need the lift anymore, like my lashes just stand up pretty straight now, but I wanted to try one of those out because I've seen a lot of people do those videos and my lashes are a little bit like on the lighter side, so I would definitely like to tint them and see how that goes. Leave me a comment down below if you guys want to see a video where I test that out. I already bought a kit from Amazon that I want to try out, but I haven't done it yet because I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to record myself doing that, because I definitely can. So yeah, that is all I really have to say in this video. I still cannot believe I did an entire video without wearing any makeup at all. It's super weird to me, but this is all about my lashes. So I wanted to be super natural for you guys so you can really see the progress that I've made with my lashes. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.